Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
This guide shows how to use Instagram Threads, starting with setup. First, download Threads from the App Store or Google Play and sign in. Link your Instagram account to import your username, profile photo, and following list. Choose a display name and bio within the 500-character limit for Threads. Set privacy, mention, and message controls before posting to control who interacts. Enable account verification and two-factor authentication for added security on the app. Now, you are ready to compose your first thread post. To compose, tap plus icon and start typing within the 500-character limit. Attach up to 10 photos or a short video by using the media picker. Use hashtags, mentions, and links to increase discoverability and drive conversations. Draft posts save automatically, but you can manually save or delete drafts anytime. Preview threads before posting to check formatting, links, and media alignment on mobile. Remember that replies, edits, and reposts follow the same visibility as original posts. Use clear captions and line breaks for readability and consistent engagement on feeds. Check notifications and reply promptly to comments to build consistent engagement. Use mute words, block, and report tools to moderate conversations and reduce abuse. Turn on post notifications for creators you follow to catch timely content. Analyze performance with engagement metrics like likes, replies, and shares within the app. Post 1 to 3 times per day during peak hours for steady audience growth. Experiment with formats and monitor trends to keep content fresh and relevant on Threads. Maintain respectful tone and cite sources when sharing claims or external information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.